Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to install and use BullX on mobile phone. Now it is important to note that BullX does not have an official app, however you can use it through Telegram. So we're going to open our Telegram app, and at the top, or depending on where the search option is for you, you can tap in the search area, search for BullX, and at the top here you can see BullX Neo. You want to choose that. We're going to tap on it, then we're going to tap on menu, tap on start, press send, click on login, say yes, because this is going to open on your web browser. And on this page, you can see it's trying to connect to Telegram. Even though we came from Telegram, you just need to give it a moment. As you can see, we now are connected to our BullX using our Telegram. Now, of course, here you have some options at the top left corner. You can tap on the three dashes there. You have different options such as orders, portfolio, wallet manager, multi-chart, and wallet tracker. You can go over to your wallet manager, and here is where you can actually add funds to your BullX. All you need to do is to tap on add funds. So all you need to do is to use the QR code address or the alphanumeric address to send funds into your BullX. And of course, if you want to withdraw, you can use the withdraw option, distribute and consolidate. When you tap on the three dots at the top left corner once again, you can see orders. And here you're going to see your active orders. We're going to tap on the options again, and then you can see your portfolio. So basically, you can access much of your functionality right here on this menu options here. And if you'd like to explore more crypto tokens, you can tap on explore and you're going to see more options. Go ahead and select the one you want to buy, and then go ahead and make the purchase after you've been able to fund your BullX right here on your mobile phone. So this is how to install and use BullX on mobile phone.